Godiag GT105 versus GT105 Breakout box. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. The Godiag GT105 offers several upgrades over the older Godiag GT105 OBD2 Breakout box. Here's a detailed comparison between the two models. 1. Vehicle voltage display. GT105 yes. GT105 no. 2. Car remote control battery. CR 2032 test. GT105 yes. GT105 no. 3. Car battery voltage alarm prompt. Lower than 11V. GT105 yes. GT105 no. 4. Toyota steering angle matching. GT105 yes. GT105 no. 5. Lamborghini ID48 key, IMMO auxiliary activation. GT105 yes. GT105 no. 6. DC reverse connection protection and internal short circuit self-recovery protection. Both yes. 7. OBD2 interface 4-pin and 5-pin short circuit function. Both yes. 8. VW Audi VG, IMMO 4 forced activation. Both yes. 9. Toyota ECU IMMO auxiliary activation matching. Both yes. 10. Mitsubishi IMMO auxiliary activation matching. Both yes. 11. Porsche IMMO auxiliary activation matching. Both yes. 12. VPW communication protocol indication. Both yes. 13. CNH communication protocol indication. Both yes. 14. CNL communication protocol indication. Both yes. 15. K-line communication protocol indication. Both yes. 16. Battery power supply. Uninterruptible power supply. GT105 yes, with special 2.5M clip cable for obtaining power. GT105, not mentioned. In summary, the Godiag GT105 introduces new features such as vehicle voltage display, battery testing, voltage alarm, and additional functionality for specific vehicle brands like Toyota and Lamborghini. These upgrades make the GT105 a more advanced and versatile tool than the original GT105. Compared with GT105, GT105 has added 5 new functions. Vehicle voltage display, car remote control battery CR 2032 battery test, car battery voltage alarm prompt, lower than 11V, Toyota steering angle matching, Lamborghini ID48 key IMMO auxiliary activation. We've done lots of DSG with just Fox Flash, no other tool needed. Fox Flash reads them just fine. You need either old Godiag GT105 plus GT107 or just newer model Godiag GT107 plus in case you failed to read these DSG gearbox TCUs on bench. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.